A token is the smallest unit of a program and is used as a building block of code. The various tokens have been enlisted for you. They are keywords, identifiers, literals or constants, operators, and separators. The token that we'll discuss in today's video is keyword. A keyword is a reserved word whose meaning is predefined by the developers of the programming language and cannot be changed. A keyword cannot be used as a name of a variable, the name of a function, or the name of a class, and so on. So in Python, what we can do is we can see or we can view the list of keywords that are provided. For that, we need to import the keyword module. So in order to import a module, we use this reserved word called import. So we write import keyword. This will give us the module keyword. Now using this module, now what a module is, why would we use a module, how do we create a module, these will be topics of discussion later on. But for now, just keep in mind that we are importing the keyword module in order to view the keywords that are provided in Python. So what we can do is we can print an attribute of the keyword module, and that attribute is called kw list. Printing this attribute would give us the list of keywords. So you can see that all the keywords that are available in Python have been printed, and they're enclosed within this pair of box brackets. So whenever you have items enclosed within box brackets, it means that it is a list. So this is a list of keywords. Again, list is a topic which will be taken up later onwards. For now, just understand that we can get the list of keywords. That means we can get all the keywords that are provided in Python by using the kw list attribute of the keyword module. And if you want to find the number of keywords, that is often an interesting thing to know or an interesting thing to note. That is the number of keywords that are available. In order to find the number of keywords, what we can do is we can find the length of this list. And how do we find the length of the list? We find the length of the list by using the len function. So if I write keyword dot kw list, and if I try to find its length, so keyword.kw list, like you have seen here in the previous print statement, which I've highlighted right now, will give us the list of all keywords. Now, if I want to count the number of keywords here, what do? I pass the keyword.kw list, I pass this to the len function. So the len function will calculate the length of the list, the length of the list provided by keyword.kw list. And if I am able to find the length of the list, I will get the count of the number of keywords. Now, if I print this, what I get is 33, which means that there are a total of 33 keywords available in Python. If you found this video useful, do like it and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.